Hi everyone, and a very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Aryan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. So this is Tech Talk with Aryan. Aryan is my student. He is undergoing C programming language under my guidance. So let's ask him, Aryan, about his coding journey. Aryan, how you came into this coaching system and how you know about this? And you start with your age first. How old are you?
Sir,
How old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
12 years.
You are 12 years old. So first of all, congratulations for starting coding journey at very early age. Which class are you studying?
7 passed out.
You are 7th passed out. So you are pursuing 8th class now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell to the audience that what is the first program you have enrolled?
First program is keyword data type.
No. What is the first course you have enrolled in my coaching system?
In your class, sir,
Yeah. What is the first course?
introduction structure of C program.
Okay. No, before C programming language, what course you have enrolled? What course you have joined? Programming basics, logics and techniques. Do you remember that 5 days course?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Say something about that course.
I have learned very about the basics of C programming language.
Okay.
Now I know how to do programming,
Okay.
our errors. So I learned very well.
How many programs you have done till now?
32 to 35 programs.
32 to 35 programs in this 20 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me how many data types are there in C language?
There are 4 data types: int, char, float, and double.
Okay.
Storage space for int is in
Okay.
old memory it is 2 bytes, and in new computers is 4 bytes.
Integer
In-
4 bytes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In char it is 1 byte. In
Okay.
float it is 4 bytes. In double it is 8 bytes. Format specifier for int is %d.
Okay.
For char is %c. For float is %f.
Very good.
For double is %lf.
For double percentage LF. Very good. Can you tell me what is the difference between float and double?
After decimal point, float has to be 6 digits and double has 15 digits.
Okay, means can we say like 6 digits precision and 15 digits precision
Yes,
is maintained? Very good. Very good. Which topic you like so much in C programming as of now?
I like topic of C tokens,
Okay.
keywords,
Okay.
ASCII codes, errors.
How many types of errors are there in C?
There are 4 types of errors. There are compile time errors, linking errors, logical errors, runtime errors.
Very
Compile time errors occur while compiling the program. For example, no semicolon at the end of the line.
good. Okay.
Linking error. Linking process combines machine source code of ours to machine source code of linking to create a executable file. If there is any problem in this process, shows an linking error.
Okay.
Logical error. These errors occur if there is any problem in the logic of the program.
Okay.
Next, runtime error. These errors occur while there is a problem in running the program. There are very dangerous errors.
Okay. Among these 4 errors, which errors are easy to rectify and identify?
Compile time errors and linking errors are easy to rectify.
Okay.
And logical and runtime errors are very difficult to rectify. And they
Why?
are not displayed on screen.
Which are not displayed on screen?
Logical errors and runtime errors.
They are not displayed on screen. Okay. What else you have learned? Tell me.
ASCII codes.
Yeah, tell me something about ASCII codes. Like how many ASCII
ASCII
codes are there?
There are 250 ASCII codes are there.
256. Very good. Okay.
ASCII code full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Fine. Can you share few ASCII codes and their corresponding characters if you know? Tell me.
48 to 57 are digits to 0 to 9.
Very good.
55 to 90 are capital A to Z.
Okay.
97 to 122 are small a to Z. Remaining all are special characters.
Very good. So have you seen programming on these ASCII codes? Have you seen programming?
Yes, sir.
You have done programming. Very good. Very good. And what motivated you to do coding at this very early age, at the age of 12?
I am very fond of computers. I will play games often. I like to watch videos in computers.
Okay.
I want to do so much in computers. So my parents suggested it's better to learn C programming.
Okay. Your parents only suggested to start with C?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does anyone said like C programming is so difficult to start with very early age?
No, sir.
Why? No one said like this?
Actually, it's easy.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Do you think generally C programming students of engineering they learn they start C programming in their first year of engineering? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you are learning at 8th class only. Do you feel C programming is difficult?
No, sir.
As of now, 35 programs you have written. How many programs?
Properly, it is very easy, sir.
Uh-huh.
If we learn properly, it is very easy.
Very good, very good. If you learn properly, so it's very easy to learn. Okay, okay. How many hours you practice per day?
Per day, 2 to 3 hours. Sir.
2 to 3 hours you are practicing. Very good, very good. So what's your dream? Like in future, what do you want to become?
I want to become a software engineer.
Okay. Who is your inspiration?
My uncle is my inspiration.
Your uncle is your inspiration. Where he is right now?
In US, sir.
In USA?
Sir.
Okay.
He's at in US.
You can show this video to him. He'll feel
Sir.
so happy.
Yes, sir.
But at very early age, you started your journey towards coding. Aryan, after completion of C language, would you like to learn any other languages?
Yes, sir.
What languages you are planning to learn? Tell me.
Scratch program languages, how to develop a app.
Okay, okay,
Like that.
fine. Scratch programming, mobile app development,
Sir.
and Python also you can plan if you are really interested.
Sir.
Python programming also you can learn. Say something more about your journey towards programming and like how you want to take this. Will you able to balance your school studies and this coding both?
Sir, I'm able to balance all the.
Okay, so throughout the year, will you learn the coding?
Yes, sir. I will learn throughout the year.
Throughout the year you will be learning. Okay, okay. Tell me some 10 topics of C programming language you like it most.
Keywords,
Okay.
data types.
You tell me how many keywords are there?
There are totally keywords. 32 keywords are there, sir.
Okay. What is a keyword?
Keywords are predefined and they are also known as reserved words,
Very
which
good.
have special meaning, and it is not possible to use them for any activity other than its intended functionality.
Very good. Very good. Data types. What is the use of data type? Can you tell me?
Data types. There are two types of data types, sir. Basic data types and derived data types.
Okay.
In basic data types, there are int, pair, float, and double. In derived data types, arrays, lists, functions, etc.
Very
In
good.
int 2 bytes in old computers and 4 bytes in modern computers for storage space.
Okay.
But K storage space is 1 byte, low storage space is 4 bytes, double storage space is 8 bytes.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is translator?
which translates source code to machine code. There are three types of translators: compiler, interpreter, assembler.
Very good.
Compiler is used in C programming languages and it translates the whole code in one shot. On the other hand, interpreter is used in Java programming languages. It translates complete code line by line. Compiler takes more memory by comparing to interpreter, and compiler is faster than interpreter. Assembler, it translates assembly code to machine code, which are low-level languages.
Okay. What else you like in C programming? What else you have learned other
Constants and variables, algorithms.
Okay. Algorithms you have learned?
Sir.
You have learned flowcharts and pseudocodes?
Sir.
What is a flowchart? Can you tell me?
Flowchart represents graphical or diagrammatically by step-by-step guidelines to perform a task.
Okay. Then what is pseudocode?
Pseudocode, solving a task, step-by-step guidelines to perform a task, line by line.
Okay. Have you
In
practiced both flowcharts and pseudocodes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
In flowcharts, we use different symbols to indicate start or stop. We use terminators.
Okay.
For input and output, we use parallelogram. For processing, we use rectangle. For decision making, we use diamond symbol.
Very good. So, do you think like new education policy has been changed? Do you know that recently?
Sir.
You know that? And I think the new education policy is going to introduce coding from very young age, like from school level, they are going to introduce coding, isn't it?
Sir.
So, does your friends are also learning coding, or
No,
you
sir.
are only doing?
Only learning, sir.
Okay, why your friends are not interested?
I don't know, sir. About that.
Okay. What else you learned, and tell me something more about your coding journey and what you want to do in future.
Constructs in programming languages, modifiers.
Okay.
tokens.
How many programming constructs are there?
There are three types of programming constructs. There are sequences, selections, and loops. In sequences, the program executed by line. In selections, the program executed by criteria or condition.
Okay.
In loops, the program executed more than one till the condition satisfies.
So, right now, which programming construct you are practicing right now?
Which program will?
No, you are doing programs right now. 35 programs you have done. So those 35 program comes under which category? Like sequence or selection or loops?
Sequence.
They comes under sequence. So as of now, you are practicing only sequence. Later you will practice
Selection and loop.
after completion of this, you will practice that.
Sir.
Very good. So, would you like to say something to our audience about this programming journey, your coding journey?
I have learned all about C programming languages. I'm very excited and very enjoyed to learn the C programming.
Very good.
I wanted to learn it every day.
Okay. Every day 2 to 3 hours you are spending.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see that interest in you. And immediately after the class, you are submitting all your assignments in given time. Do you have that notes also where you are writing all your programs?
Yes, sir.
Is it beside you now?
No, sir.
Where it is?
Near the TV, sir.
Yeah, can you get and show that to our audience once?
Sir.
Yeah.
first and second program.
Okay, okay. So every day you are maintaining programs like this.
Yes, sir. Third and fourth.
Okay, very good. Fine, thank you. So, like how you are, like once if the program runs successfully, then you are noting down in the book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you maintaining any theoretical notes to practice the theoretical concepts also? Question answers.
Sir, rough notes for practicing.
You are maintaining. Very good. So just within 20 days, if you can perform to this extent, then by the time we complete C programming language, you can really do wonders, Aryan. Wish you all the best
Thank you, sir.
for your bright career. And after completion of C language, we'll have one more tech talk show, and we'll see that you do some programs live and show your coding practices to our audience. Is it clear? On live, you just write the programs and immediately you can show. I'll be asking some questions to you, and that you have to solve in live. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is only just 20 days training, and within 20 days, if you can do this, then I'm sure that you can really do wonders in future. Okay? So thank you so much, Aryan, and wish you
Thank you, sir.
all the best for your bright career.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.